everyone. In this Autodesk Sketchbook tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to draw a beautiful whale forest. So let's make it. So first we need to choose one green color like this. If you want, you can use the exact same color. Second, we need synthetic round by steel brush with 90.7 brush size. Start in the middle, use straight stroke to make it smoother. We have to change flow percentage. Choose a new color, which is the lime green color. Mix it over the lime green color. I'm gonna use a smudge flight Bristol brush 3 and start to smudge it. This is the time to draw a forest. I'm gonna show you the easiest way to make forest. Select secondary green like this. With this, I'm going to use camel brush. Start to create zigzag lines at the mid of the canvas. I want to change its color. Choose light green color and decrease size and opacity of the brush. Take a new layer and place it down. Draw again zigzag lines over the dark lines. Select a smooth quantity to make some different lines. When you're done, brush both layers. After this, select transform tool and pull it upwards like this. Now I'm going to make the road. Add a new layer. So first, I need to choose gray color and brush 2. Use symmetry tool and make triangle. And fill it with the same color. Now duplicate the layer. Go to the axial color and increase the lightness of copied layer. Place light layer down and transform it. Now search for brush 5. And draw straight lines over the dark layer. Use a smudge wet brush to smudge it. Now go for dark gray and paint the downside of the wood with the help of brush 5. Select emerald green for brush, choose HR with 58.9 brush size. Now draw brushes. Paint the edges of wood with dark green color. Now create a new layer to make floral bushes. Choose synthetic Bristol round brush and change the color into slime green. Do some setting of brush. Use dark and light green color to enhance it. When you are done, pick baby pink color and charcoal brush. Increase brush size. Touch the top of the brush slightly. Copy this and transform it for the other side of the road. Now make clouds. Use a Aegean blue and salty water brush. Create a new layer. Use blending to blend it. Divide the cloud like this. Use a sky blue color to make a sky. Repeat this method and enhance it. Pick white color and increase size and decrease flow of airbrush. Now we are gonna make a kit with umbrella. First, hide all layers and take a new layer. Choose red color with paintbrush. First, start from the cap and sleeves. Use dark and light red color for sleeves. Paint the jacket with the help of dark and light red color. Paint the color with white color and start to make face. Use skin color to make the face. Grid with a new layer. Draw the face like this. I want to depict the child in a side pose. Use dark brown color to draw hair. We are done. Create an umbrella on the child's head. Use your favorite color to make umbrella. I am making it very colorful. Choose dark brown color and use primary pencil to make outlines. Highlight the umbrella by changing shades. And with slow airbrush, note the size and opacity of the brush. Highlight the jacket. Use dark and red color. Choose super grainy. After super grainy, search for bleeding watercolor. Add a velvet-like texture to the jacket. Use synthetic acrylic and apply strokes like this. The jacket is ready. Select dark navy blue for the paint. Add a new layer and I'm going to use paintbrush. Draw the paint like this. Duplicate one side for the other side. Choose dark blue color with paintbrush. Use shading techniques to add depth and dimension to the jeans. Darken the areas where shadow would naturally fall, such as between the legs or along the folds. Let's create your favorite pair of shoes. Feel free to use your preferred colors. Draw the soles of the shoes, considering the thickness and any additional elements. Refine the shape and details of the umbrella. Add light point shading to the kid's hair. In the end, unhide all the layers. It is done. I hope you like this tutorial. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting art tutorials for you. Thank you for joining us.